Welcome back to Peak Gearhead, your go-to place for everything on wheels. Today, we have something that's going to blow your mind. A Mercedes Sprinter Motorhome 6x6 in vibrant black. This beast is not just a van. It's an all-terrain, all-luxury mobile home built for adventure. Stick around as we break down every feature of this rugged beauty. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to hit the road immediately. Exterior, front view. Let's start with the first impression. The front view, the massive Mercedes-Benz logo proudly sits at the center of the grille, announcing its dominance. The LED headlights provide crystal clear visibility, and the rugged bumper design screams durability. And of course, this bad boy is sitting inside a high-end showroom, standing tall among the best in the business. Outdoor setup. Imagine pulling over in the wilderness, deploying your full-length awning, and setting up a cozy lounge area right outside your mobile fortress. Whether it's a sunny day or a drizzly evening, this setup allows you to enjoy nature without compromising comfort. The LED lighting under the awning keeps the vibe alive even after sundown. Backside view. Moving to the back, we have an extra tire because rugged journeys demand backup. Plus, there's a well-mounted cycle carrier, perfect for adventure lovers who want to hit the trails. The sleek taillights and sturdy rear bumper add to the vehicle's commanding presence. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Side view. On the side, we have an added feature, a deployable tent. This isn't just about luxury, it's about making your trip even more immersive. Whether you're camping with friends or need an extra chill-out space, this attached tent gives you an outdoor sitting area without worrying about the weather. Driving compartment. Stepping inside the driving compartment, you're greeted with a high-tech cockpit that ensures a smooth ride. A massive LED touchscreen provides navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Another LED screen gives you a real-time view of the backside, making reversing and parking effortless. The seats? Luxurious and ergonomic, ensuring fatigue-free long drives. Sitting and sleeping area. Heading into the living space, the first thing you'll notice is the sofa-cum-bed setup. With a simple transformation, this cozy couch turns into a full-size bed, making sure you get comfortable sleep wherever you park. Overhead storage compartments keep your essentials neatly tucked away. Kitchen setup. What's a road trip without some good food? The compact kitchen is well equipped with a mini fridge, sink, induction stove, and storage shelves. It's designed to be practical yet stylish, sitting perfectly between the living and sleeping area. So whether you're brewing coffee or cooking a quick meal, you have everything at your fingertips. Washroom. Yes, even in this compact setup, there's a fully functional washroom. The space-saving design includes a small sink, toilet, and shower, making sure you stay fresh on the go. With water-saving technology and an efficient drainage system, this washroom is built for long-term road life without compromising convenience. Ending note. So there you have it, the ultimate Mercedes Sprinter Motorhome 6x6, designed for the wild, yet refined for luxury. And guess what? This beauty is priced at just $92,000. If you're an adventure lover, this is the best investment you'll ever make. What do you think? Would you take this on a road trip? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one.